Kathleen Dsouza. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review about the Stylecracker box. Stylecracker is a company that actually provides stuff for a certain amount, customizes clothes, bags, shoes, accessories, etc. according to what your need is at a certain amount. When I ordered it, there was a discount going on, so I kind of got it at a much cheaper rate than what the rate actually is. So they provide you 3 items for 2,999 and then 4 items for I think about 3,999 or 4,999. Accordingly, the rate increases. So for me to try out the first time, I called for the box with just 3 items. I got it at a discount and I paid somewhere around 17 to 1800 rupees. And I just received this box 2 days back, and I wanted to kind of open it up and show you guys what I've got inside. So let's open this box and see what they have given me. So as soon as I open it, there's a letter from Stylecracker that says, "Dear Kathleen, here's something special curated only for you by a celebrity stylist. We hope you love it as much as we loved curating it for you. Do share or post a picture of the stuff once you wear it." Oh, she's given me a dress inside and she's asked me to pair it with the choker that they've also given me inside. So let's see how the stuff is. And okay, also behind this is written, "In case of any exchange or any queries, please feel free to contact us." There's a number given or an email ID, and they'll be more than happy to assist me with anything that I may need. The second card is about a 15% off on the next Stylecracker box if I order it. So if I like the stuff, this is going to be really handy for me. So before they sent me all this stuff, when I went and I filled my profile out on Stylecracker, they asked me for the body shape that I have, whether it's pear, whether it's square, whether it's however. There were a bunch of things that you can select from. Then secondly, they asked me to send them a picture of me, and accordingly they would decide what would look nice, what wouldn't. They also asked me in this box where there are 3 items, what would I prefer, footwear, accessories, blah blah blah. So I kind of selected accessories, footwear, clothes, shorts, everything, and they sent me 3 things out of it. Yes, so I'm super duper excited to see exactly how they've curated it as per my body type or something that will look nice on my skin tone and things like that. Their personal stylist called me up about 3-4 days later once I placed the order, and she asked me the things that I like to wear, whether I like a sling bag or a tote bag and things like that. So that was really nice, and I kind of felt like a personal touch when they did that. So hence I was very keen on reviewing this box with you guys so that we both know exactly how it is and how I felt about it. So the first thing that I take out of this box is a nice sling bag. I love sling bags. It's like a nudish pink sort of a bag. You open it, they have a flap inside this bag also, which is really nice so that your stuff doesn't fall out, because I have my perfumes, my lipsticks, everything just dropping off my bag most of the time. That's it. It's a nice cute small bag, like if you go out somewhere and if you want to carry the minimum stuff, that's where it's gonna fit in. So as I told you before that I paid almost, to be precise, $17.69 for this box when I purchased it. There was a sale on their website. This bag itself has an MRP of $12.99, which is amazing because it's great. Like $17.99, I get like 3 things. So after this bag, they sent me 1 accessory in this really cute pouch. Oh, it's this really cute choker necklace, which is obviously in fashion right now. A lot of people wear such things and it's really cute. So she asked me to pair this necklace on that letter with my dress. So let's see how the dress is. This is the dress that comes along with it. It's a Zara dress. So if the bag is for 1,200 bucks, I'm sure this will be somewhere between 2,000 to 3,000. And getting all 3 of these things in that box is awesome. I love this dress. I love that it's velvet because it's going to be so handy during the winters. I love the color. It's like this greenish, grayish sort of a color. I love dresses that, you know, you can wear. They're really nice and long, and then you have like a side slit. You're like, woohoo, wow. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this box, and my review on this is it's amazing. I think next I'm going to go in with like the 4 or the 5 items one, because I want to see what they have. They have really killer stuff from Pipa Bella and really nice tote bags, so that's going to be something I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to calling for another box from here because I love the stuff. So if you are somebody who's skeptical about buying it, I think you should give it a try. Try it once with at least the 3 items minimum to start off with. See if you like it and then you can go ahead with more items. So my verdict on this, it's amazing, and I will definitely go ahead to buy at least one more of the box to check out their other stuff. If you like this video guys, if this was helpful for you, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you've called for any of these boxes before and what stuff have you guys got in that box. Did you like it? Did you like it? Etc. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.